Hey Barry, looking at your business card, I like the design. You did pretty well here. You have the crop marks. I didn't need the bleed marks. I just needed the bleed with the crop mark, which would be here. You also have the bleed crop marks. Not a huge deal, but I think your design does look good. I like the color scheme. Um, yeah, I think it looks pretty good. And I like the logo you made. Um, but there are some problems. I don't have your fonts folder, and I don't have a links folder, and I don't. So I'm missing those two things inside of your actual folder here. And if I go into the document, this looks good, other than the fact that this is kind of screwed up. I think maybe when you copy and pasted it over from Illustrator, you might have lost a few things, or something got shifted around here. I was hoping within Illustrator you would have done a file export of the pages or the artboards in Illustrator separately as maybe high resolution JPEGs, and then you could have done a file place within InDesign and brought in those PDF files, the one for the front cover and the back cover. And then you could have brought your B designs in as maybe like an AI file here and here. And that would have shown up in your links folder as an AI file, and then two PDF files, one for the front and back design. And then you could have used the text tool to do like draw boxes and do the lettering in here. And then also, if you wanted to keep the icons directly copy and pasted out of Illustrator, that's fine. But I mean, at least having one or two or three links in here was something I wanted you to have, so that you can check if it's in CMYK, if you can check that the effective PPI. And when you copy and paste directly out of Illustrator, it's not the same thing as actually laying it out in InDesign. And that's what I was hoping you would learn with this project, is really how to lay something out in InDesign. And so copy and pasting it out of Illustrator into InDesign, you did show me that you know how to set the document up correctly in InDesign, like a 2-page document with 1/8 inch bleeds, which is good, but you didn't really show me that you know how to work with the links, and that you know how to use, obviously you probably do know how to use the text tool, but you didn't use it in InDesign. So that's going to affect your grade. I think the design of it's good, but the fact that the majority of it was done in Illustrator and it was just a copy paste into InDesign is not really not going to really get you like an A. So anyway, I just wanted to go over that in this video with you. And if you want to try and redo it, if you have time, I know you said you had a time crunch, but it's open to you till the 12th of December or so. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye.